In this video, I'll take you on a brief little walking tour around the city of Guatemala and get you to a little introduction to see what this city is all about. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is Guatemala City. Guatemala is located in Central America, just south of Mexico, and the capital is Guatemala City. Okay, this is Guatemala City. Checking in on this place right now. Just arrived about an hour ago into the city. First thing I notice, a lot of places, people selling things around here. Traffic, a lot of it. Look at this. Look at all these people selling clothes here. Got to keep your head on a swivel here because there's always a truck or a car coming from behind you when you least expect it. But look at all these clothes selling. This is the garment district right here in Guatemala City. Look at this. Big truck here coming by. Cars behind you. Just walk within the cones. And so it's like every day is a swap meet here in Guatemala City. A lot of vendors here, selling things all over the place. Look at this, chaotic traffic, buses running all over the place. Cell phones, electronics. If you're finding this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. Walking here. Leather, watches, all kinds of goods here. Vendors, avocados. What are those things? I don't know what they are.
If you need it to smell like that.
Señor. Señor, ¿qué es este?
Es una fruta.
¿Fruta de qué?
Zapote.
¿Zapote?
Aquí en Guatemala. Ahora en México es mamey.
Oh, sí. Muy bien. Gracias. Gracias.
Vaya, vaya.
¿Qué es este? ¿Tamale?
Tamal de lote.
¿Tamale de lote? ¿Qué es en entra? ¿Es pollo, gallina?
No, esto es tamal de lote, aquel es chuchito.
Oh, ok. ¿Cuánto cuestan para este?
Vale 6.
¿6? 6, sí. 5. So it's never-ending shops here. They continue going on. And then here's a police right here walking around. Let's see if the police say anything. No. Sweatsuits here. Okay, let me give you an aerial view of what you're seeing here in Guatemala City with all the traffic. They have quite a few of these things that cross over the streets so you don't get run over. But look how crowded this is. Right now it's 12:30 on a Monday afternoon and the streets are packed. Look at this. Regular, normal Guatemala City traffic. Looks like there's a lot more here coming in than there is going out. So, not sure if that's people going into the city or coming out of it, but definitely a lot more traffic here. But look at the lanes they got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lanes filled, packed going that way. Then they got 2 express lanes over here. And they got the center for the buses. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, honking. These things are like the jeepneys that they have in Manila. So, a lot of horn honking. It's a noisy town. Here's it. These ones are going, this is what they call the chicken bus, this cool little tripped out bus right here. going to Antigua. I'm going to be on one of those tomorrow. So that's kind of neat. Check that out. It's a converted school bus into these cool little hip buses. Look at this guy's got lights flashing all over the place. That's also going to Antigua. The chicken bus right there. Look at that. Everyone takes pride in tripping out their own little bus, tricking it out, pimping it up. Look at that, flashing lights. So now suddenly there's a lot more traffic coming this way. Horns honking all over the place. If you don't hear a horn honking, it's not Guatemala City. Here's all the buses that are going to Antigua. They come every 5 minutes. They start at like 5 a.m. and every 5 minutes there's a new bus going to Antigua taking people away. Kind of, look at this. Really chaotic honking. And this is the place to go if you want to go to that old style colonial city of Antigua on all these little chicken buses, as they call them. And they're pretty affordable too. It's only like $5 to get you there. This is another aerial view of all the traffic. Look at, we got 3 lanes going this way, 1 going out that way, express, and then we got another 1, 2, 3, 4 lanes coming this way. So when you talk about traffic, it's bad in your city, just reflect back and look at how it's bad in this city, Guatemala. Look at this, people honking right here. Check that out. This is real traffic happening on a weekday. Okay, so that's pretty much Guatemala City from high atop the overpass. Let's go see what else we can find. Look at this. Look at these motorcycles here. 957 quetzales. Wow. Yeah. One of my favorite things to do when it's really hot outside and muggy and humid, getting a little ice cream. This is only 5 quetzales right here. Very good deal. So after my little ice cream break, I'm going to now continue my little walk here through the crowded, busy streets of Guatemala City. So many vendors here. Cell phone things they're selling here. Vendors all over the place selling almost what seems to be the same thing over and over again. That's what I never understand about this place. They have so many things, but it's all like the same thing that they're all selling. This guy's got a lot of cigarettes here. Here's some pastries, a little different. Wow, look at that great big cake in there. Okay, so shoes. It's almost as though they don't have department stores here. The street is a department store. Everything on the street. Backpacks. All kinds of things. This is like the world's biggest outdoor swap meet, as I said earlier. This guy's got his stuff arranged a little bit better than the average person. He's got it all over the place here. On the wall. Some have prime real estate. People hurrying, trying to catch buses. Running late. Look at this. Wow. Here's the jewelry district in Guatemala City. Okay, so now I'm going to go through another overcrossing here. Look gotta watch your head because they're coming fast, these cars. Okay, now we go. Make sure you don't get hit. Let's go this way. If you would like to see my other videos from Guatemala and throughout Central America, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.